Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So babes, Wood Dumo has released videos of the inside of her and Mampintsha's house, and in those videos we saw Mampintsha's young sister Opinki in those videos cleaning the walls, door frames and windows of her house. Babe Soduma is alleging that Mampintsha's young sister was actually performing a ritual behind her back and that she was basically bewitching her. Oh yeah, Mloya, you guys. Babe Soduma is heard as she shared those videos in her own words, saying that Pinky is bewitching her, you guys. So without wasting your time, please check out this video and also tell me what you think. Subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. So here's the video.
They didn't know who's in my camera in my house. One year taught. He cocked was all cocovula. Abanye magijima emaphasage one. Babengazi. Ucoba nje la. Hayi bafethu. Shut down.